Hello everyone, now I am going to show you how to interface 4G connectivity in RDL Industrial Datalogger. In the RDL Datalogger, we provide a dual SIM option in the hardware. If needed, you can use both SIM. The purpose of the dual SIM feature is that while uploading data, if the first SIM loses network connectivity or gets corrupted, the system automatically switches to the second SIM to continue data upload. Currently, I am connecting a single SIM. Now click on RDL Industrial Datalogger Configuration Manager software. Here, select COM port and click on Open. Use the default password RDL123 during login. Click on Wi-Fi/GPRS/4G/LTE in the sidebar menu. Under Communication Type, select 4G/LTE and then click Save. In the initial settings, the APN needs to be configured. Click on APN, then click the Read button. If you are using a single SIM, select Single SIM and enter the APN. If you are using Dual SIM, select Dual SIM and enter the APN for both SIM cards. Now, 4G is enabled. Next, click on 4G/LTE. Here, select JSON, then click on the JSON section and choose the profile type. Click Read and enter the JSON URL. We have set up both the primary and secondary JSON URL. The purpose of this is that, if the primary URL stops pushing data, the system will automatically switch to the secondary URL to continue data transmission. Now you can see the data in the Analyze screen, and also you can see the data at the server end as shown. Thanks for watching video. For more details check the description. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Connect with me on LinkedIn, X and Facebook. Links in the description.